bell icon. Stay updated on our daily videos. In this lecture, we're gonna see about display settings and some interesting settings under options. I will promise that after watching this video, you are able to change the colorful appearance of the AutoCAD display. So you guys don't skip this video, watch till the end. In this user interface, we see the working area is in black color. If I want to change the color of the working area, just right click and select options. The option tab, you can get it in 4 ways. First, you can get it by right clicking of the mouse, and second, you can get it by clicking the application menu which is in the top left corner. In that, here you can see the options. And third, you can get it from the menu bar. Click tools, at last you find the options. And fourth, you can get it by the command box by clicking the command OP. Now just enter OP in the command box. For changing the GUI color of the AutoCAD, go to the display tab. Here you can see the color options. Just click over it. Here you want to select 2D model space. Under 2D model space, choose Year, Uniform Background. If you want white color, select it and click Apply. Mostly I prefer black color while working. Just I changed it. By this way, you can change the background color. Now you see the cursor, it is in green color, right? If you want to change the color of the cursor, again go to the options window. Choose display and again choose colors, 2D model space, and then choose crosshair color. Here I change the color to red. Then apply and close it. Now you see the change in color of crosshair. And then if the crosshair size is not fit or not be like comfort to draw, I want to increase it. For that, again go to the same options window. On display tab, here you can see the crosshair size, right? Just you can increase the size of the crosshair by adjusting this, or even enter in percentage here. Most of the professionals prefer 100%. Then apply it and OK. Now you see the crosshair size that expands throughout the screen. Again I need to change the standard size of crosshair. I do it. The standard size of crosshair is 7. If you want, the draw tools left side here and the modify tools on right side for making easy drawings. For that, first you wanna bring down the menu bar. You can find the menu bar in drop down of the quick access toolbar. And just click on the show menu bar. Now the menu bar is visible on the screen. You can see here. In menu bar, go to tools and choose toolbars and then choose AutoCAD. Now you can see the many tools that are available on AutoCAD. Here I choose draw tools. Now you see the drawing toolbar on the left side of the screen. In the same way you can do it for modify tools. Let's do now. On menu bar, I have to choose tools, then toolbar, then AutoCAD. You can find here the modify tools. Just click on it. If you wanna change the position of the toolbar, just click here and drag where you want. If you want many more tools like layers, groups, properties like that, just right click on drawing toolbar. You will find many more tools here. Choose the tools what you want. I am choosing layers and properties. because draw tools, modify tools, layers and properties are the most essential tools to draw 2D plans. So I brought here those tools. Then see here, this is the UCS icon. To change the size of it, go to the view menu and choose display. Here you can see the UCS, select it and choose properties here. You can increase the size by adjusting this and you can change the color. And also you may give the line width also. Let's change the line width to 3. Then OK. You can see the changes are applied in the UCS icon. This is not much use, so you can remove it by doing this. Go to the view menu. Choose display. Here you can choose the UCS. Just select it and click on here. Now the UCS icon is gone. Then this is the command line. If you want it to the entire bottom of the screen, just click and drag it. Sometimes the command line may be hidden. At the time, go to the tools. Here you can see the command line. Just click over it. Or else use shortcut key Ctrl+9. In this way I can show and hide the command line. Then below the command line you will see the clean screen option. When you click on it, there is no tools visible on your screen. To revert back it again, do the same thing. Go to view and then click on clean screen. Or else use shortcut key of Ctrl+0 to clear the entire screen. And also you are able to change the theme of your screen. Let me try this. Go to the option window by right clicking on mouse. Here under display tab you can see the color theme. Right now having a dark color. Let me change to light and apply and OK. See here, the screen gets changed to light theme. Let's try to change some default settings in options. Go to options. Now you choose open and save tab here. By default AutoCAD save in the version of 2013, but I want to change in lower version. I choose 2007. Hereafter, whenever I save the file, by default AutoCAD save in 2007 version. Apply it and then OK. Let's check it. Click on save. You can see here, as I told, by default the file is saving in 2007 version. If you want to change, you can change here itself. But if you may forgot sometimes to save in particular version, right? To avoid that, change the version in option setting itself. Again go to options window and open and save tab. And here you can see the file safety precautions. Under this have a automatic save options, right? By default the file is automatically saved in every 10 minutes. I request you to change it to 1 minute. Because if any power cut will happen or else accidentally shutting down of your computer while working, at the time this settings may help you. And we have see the another settings under user preferences. Click on it. Here you see the insertion scale. By default the units are in inches. If you want the units are in mm while opening, then make it as millimeter. Then go to the drafting option. Here we have the auto snap marker size option. What's that? Let me see. I choose line command and make a line. Then activate the AutoSnap option. To show the AutoSnap marker size, first check is the AutoSnap is on. Now again choose line command and move the cursor on another line. You may see there is a symbol indicates like midpoint, end point, nearest point, and many more snaps are there. So we are able to change the snap size and color. For color, go to the options, under drafting, here you can see color, click it. Choose 2D model space, then select 2D auto snap marker and choose color what you want. I am choosing yellow color and apply and OK. Let's do something. Go to the options, choose selection tab. Let me try to change the pick box size by adjusting here. Now see the cursor. At the middle of the cursor, a little box is there which is called the pick box and it's changed to bigger. Again right click and go to the options. Let me decrease the size. And then see about the grip. Just increase the grip size by adjusting this and then apply and OK. Now you can observe that pick box size is decreased. Coming to the grip size, to know about it, select any object which you have already drawn. See here, you can find here some grips in object, right? By using this, you are able to move from one place to another. And also you are able to change the color of the grip. For that, go to the options, under selection tab, change grip color by clicking here. I am changing to yellow color, then OK. Then apply and then OK. Now you can select any object and you observe that the grip color is changed to yellow. This is all about display settings and settings under options. I hope you guys understood how to here. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.